So it's Thursday, October 25th. Like 6:30 in the morning. Equity's just open, just kind of letting this whole thing settle out for a second. Thus far, buyers have definitely been in control on the 10-year, so I'm not really going to step in front of it unless I see something I really like. I might just go ahead and pause this for the next 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes or so. Unless I see something, I'll try to turn it on beforehand. Or I'll just let it run. Looks like we have some absorption happening here at 205. There's the back tick. Just incredibly volatile right now, so I'd love to let it settle out a little bit more. Sellers are trying to put up a fight here, but the buying pressure is just unrelenting. See, look at that size right here. Let's see if we get a bounce here. In the ES, that is. Ideally, I'd like to see this pop up a little bit higher. See some absorption, and then we can enter on a pullback. But again, the buying pressure has been so intense that it's very precarious. The bids got pretty weak there. You could see how it fell back on 800 and 1400. So sellers have not stepped up, but buyers are relenting a little bit. pulling a little bit, but it's still pretty big. I'd like to see some more size come in here on the sell side. Got some size selling over here. Oh, look at that. Wow. Just not buying it. They're not buying this rally. God, it's getting... They're definitely pulling off. It's unusual to see fallback on such small size. See what would be support on a pullback here. Probably like 19, 18 and a half. Debating to take a long here. Yeah, definitely a lot of absorption here. Look at that. Let's see if we can get a back tick. There it is. I don't know if I should pay up for this or not. Well, we'll see. I'm going to watch this for a while. See what happens when we come back to 19 and a half. Starting to develop a little bit of a profile step here. If this makes new highs on the ES, it'll be interesting to see how it responds in this area. That was a tough read up there. Definitely got some size coming through. Offers are stacking up, so it looks real. But, I mean, still pulling, still stacking. It's got some absorption right there. Here we got new highs in the ES. Still some selling pressure. Stacking up. Buyers are pulling. There's really no reason to get in front of this right now. Pretty good little pullback. If we are going to go higher at some point. Our sellers are still absorbing buying right there. Now just zero flinching here. A little bit of a pullback, nothing even, a few buyers hit up into here, but that's it. I doubt I'll get filled, but I just think this is honestly, I don't really like participating in the middle of the range here either, but I guess this would be support. Did see some absorption there, which leads me to believe this might go lower. But we are due for a pullback, so I don't know. Not a good read. I just need these to stack up. I'm trying to take advantage of the momentum here. I don't really like clicking into markets like that, but just need this to pull off. It's stacked up pretty well. Need new highs in the ES. Get some pressure. This was like a before she goes kind of trade, but looks like buyers are sort of absorbing her. Stack up. Come on, stack up. That's fine, but just stack up over here. These need to pull more. There we go. Only 43 hit back in. That's good so far. 22 pulled off. Make new highs. I should be able to get at least one more tick. Yeah, this needs to go pretty soon, or else I'm going to scratch it. It's interesting to see the change, how buyers just kind of willed this higher and then turned around and just stacking up and pushing this thing lower. Been like no back ticks whatsoever. Even with that little pullback there, we got one little tick up. We're definitely due for a pullback in the ES, so it should be worth a couple ticks at least. So we finally got a back tick there. Still not a lot, but that was pulling. That's good. So I'm looking for a fade here. I'd like to see this go up a little bit and watch sellers absorb buyers and then push it back down. So we had some size that tried to absorb there, it didn't work. And the bid or the offer stacked up pretty well there. Bids are pulling already. We need the ES to hold 91 basically. If it goes lower than that, then we're in trouble. Shit. This already went. I'm not going to get filled. don't really enjoy engaging in the middle of these ranges here. Might be a little premature on this trade. I think we could pull back all the way to the mid, which is 82. This is pulling off. That's not good. I mean, this isn't, the bids aren't really stacking up, so I guess I could have got a scratch right there if I wanted it. Kind of expecting, everybody's expecting this to go higher, it looks like, at this point. Just need this to stack up more on this to pull. I think I'm premature on this one. There's still sellers present though, they're coming back down. Don't like how that's pulling off. I think 19 should have taken this out by now. I don't really think that bid is real. That's a good pull, about half pulled off already. It's just some chop. That's good. Stack up. Need this to stack up. Need that to pull off. Let's go. Fuck, I don't like that at all. It's a lot of spoofing right now. Here we go. Stack up. This isn't really pulling like I'd like. Sellers absorbed all that 14 right there. That's good. Damn. Might have to pull this off. Fuck. Look at that. Damn. Oh well. Yeah, that's a big one to come back on you. All right, I'm gonna pause the recording. Okay, we're back. It's about 7:24. ES came down almost to the VWAP mid. It's kind of where you'd expect a bounce, so I would look for sellers to step up here and push this back down. So this was a little pullback. We pulled back from about 16. This is the one I was expecting. Let's go ahead and see if we can take advantage of this little momentum push here. Probably should have tried to get filled up here at 18.5, but as long as the ES keeps pushing up, we should be okay. This is just sort of a momentum trade, so I'm not going to give it too much time. We are wrong at 19. Oh shit, I just absorbed all that. About 3,000. That's not good. Give her a little bit more time to see if they can push this down, but still absorbing. God damn it. This is why I don't like really engaging in the middle, because you just don't really get a good read on exactly when you're wrong. I was expecting to really, with the ES pushing higher now, I was expecting this to really push back down by now. Don't like that at all. Yeah, I don't like it. Look at that. ES rallies 10 ticks, doesn't even flinch. Man, fuck. That was an impulsive trade. I'm just hoping the ES rally is even higher and they can't not sell this down. It's not working though. Fuck. Damn. I mean, sellers have got to come in and just fucking blast this thing. Wow, look at that. Absorbed all that shit. And they got 3,000 on the bid, and it's going higher. Wow. See? You fucking saw it. It's right in front of your face. You need to listen to that shit. Try to work a scratch, see if we can get it. This could be just a fake out. I still think. I mean, you've seen everything they've absorbed there. It's like 10,000 at this point. So if they do actually get through it, then more power to them. Fuck. I don't know. I gotta let trades play out a little bit more, I think. I mean, there was definitely absorption there, though. You saw the whole fucking thing. It's frustrating. God damn it. See, and they just let it. It's like a rug pull. That sucks. I had the right read, just couldn't sit through it. Fuck. I gotta let trades play out. This happens way too much. So 16 is where it held on the last pullback. which is also a low volume node, and the overnight low just above the overnight low. Buying on the ES has been pretty strong though, so I would think the overall trend would continue down. So I don't necessarily want to fade this. But it's not a good spot for a short. But this little shelf right here, it's something to look at. So 7:30, got about an hour, maybe hour and a half of activity left before things kind of dry up. Although yesterday was active all day long, so if this starts ripping higher, I might do it before she goes. We'll see what happens when they hit back down into this. I just feel like this is just engaging right now is just getting involved in the chop. And usually when the ES behaves like this, it takes it takes a lot of selling pressure to push it down. So when it just kind of middles around like this, it usually goes higher. Just betting on the yes going higher. Nope, I don't. I'm trying to not do things that I have done in the past, so. This would be a place where buyers would step in. Because they already absorbed that 4,800, 53 now. I'd love to see them just absorb the piss out of this level. And then back ticket. Over 6,000, good. Didn't get, I don't know if I'm gonna get to fill. You saw it absorbed everything there, back ticked it. I probably should have tried to keep my fill at 16, but we'll see how this plays out. Wasn't much of a pullback in the ES, but I'd like to see that get a little bit deeper. So the last pullback went up to 19. Not to say this one will get there, but who knows? We can shoot for it. This is kind of a big print up here. That's interesting. Looks like we've kind of absorbed a lot more here as well. Come on. Absorb, absorb. These two levels. Done a good job. That's a huge absorption. Just pop it. They're already pulling off over here. Let's go. Wow. Yeah, they're fucking pulling this off too. Didn't even pull it. Didn't even try to push it back up. So, last couple trades I didn't let play out. I probably could have made some money on them. This one, I'm more apt to let play out just because those previous trades didn't play out. I don't know if that's right or not, but yeah, fuck. Wow. Wow. It's almost like newsworthy right there. Those pushes down like that. If this doesn't get higher after that, like, let's go. I mean, they fucking tried to take it up, but look at that. Unreal. Trying to push it up. Let's go. We got the push over here. Fucking cocksucker. Just like algo fucking driven bullshit. I gotta remember to clear out these guys so I can see what's going on. Don't have to... Jesus. What a fucking mess. I could still take this. Let's go. Step up, motherfuckers. Like, you can't take that? Let's go. Good. Pulling, good. Stack up. Let's go. So we got one tick out of that. Trying to get 4 ticks out of this trade. I need basically this. It kind of stalled out here at the top, which is good. But I need it to get below 92. 92 is like intraday support for the ES. Fuck, not. Oh, how the fuck did that get to 500? That's not good. I'm gonna get slipped if that stays. Now we're inside market, so if I tick on it, it'll... I need to fix that. Right, sellers are definitely still present here in the on the ZN. I'm definitely gonna see what happens because we've been trading this tiny little range, 98 to 92 in the ES. So if it pops 98, which is basically new highs, then I might be screwed. The fact that it's just kind of middling here, can't get any higher, sort of leads me to believe that they might go lower. We saw absorption here, here. We're seeing some here thus far. I mean, that said, I won't be afraid to take this off. I'm glad I'm doing the scale out because at least I got some money out of this. I think I'm going to stick with that concept. I guess this is a normal market in the ES. Been used to seeing the just, you know, straight up or straight down the last few days. But I think yesterday it sort of did this at the top and then just melted down the whole second half of the day, from what I recall. I could see how it's just so algo driven. 2 ticks, 3 ticks higher in the ES and everything pulls off. It looks like they absorbed here again. Hopefully it'll hold. Doesn't look like it though. Still got buyers in the ZN. That's good. They show up pretty quickly. You can see which side they're on. There we go. Get that pop up. Let's go. Just get a pop. One more push down. We should really get that. See how it pays to be a contrarian? ES was going up, looked like it was going to push through new highs. That's when you get long in the ZN. Take advantage of the pullback. I think that's going to be the new strategy, thanks to Mr. O'Grady. Or Grady. John Grady. I wonder if I should take this off here. Sorry, I got distracted. Shit. Should just take it off here. Have a break-even day. I might have seen the extent of that push. I missed it by a tick. We've basically been going sideways in the ES since when? I mean, it's been going sideways in the ES for like the last half an hour. Okay, new push down, should get filled, hopefully. About 38 and change in the queue. God damn it, let's go. There we go. Push, pop it. Pop it. Pop it. 2400. Pop it. Let's go. Oh my God. Damn. Stack up. Let's go. Push it. Come on. It's got to go now. There we go.